In today's video, I'll be giving you guys an update on my Fries crypto miners, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the project. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, a couple of weeks ago, I ended up getting some Fries crypto miners. I did an unboxing video. You can probably find it in the description box below. And I have been mining Fries token ever since. So in this video, I will give you guys an update on my miners, show you how much they are mining, and show you some important updates about the project. Alright, so the first thing that I want to show you guys is the chart. As you can see in the last 24 hours, it is up over 100%. Obviously, this is a brand new project and the market cap is less than $1,000. This is literally like buying Shiba Inu the first minute that it came out. It is extremely risky, but it is definitely worth the gamble in my opinion. And the current price is just over a penny and a half. And as you can see, this spike right here that caused the price to almost double and caused it to go up 100% was probably caused by a $300 investment into Fries crypto. And when we take a look at the stats on Algo Explorer, Fries was built on Algorand, so a lot of the information will be here. As you can see, daily unique senders is increasing, active addresses are increasing, transaction counts are increasing. Everything is looking good in my opinion. And for all the latest updates about Fries crypto, I suggest checking out their Twitter account. They have a lot of valuable information on there. And now they have flat rate shipping of $25 to all miners shipped to Japan. This is definitely good as they try to build their network in Japan as well. Another very important update, the final days of Fries miners being 80% off are coming to an end. So if you want to order one, I would not wait any longer. But here's the biggest update that I wanted to cover. To help foster trust within the Algorand community, they have decided to lock up over 87% of their tokens. Every year for the next 70 years, around 100 million Fries will be made available. This leaves literally under 1 billion Fries available for everyone right now. Locking up over 80% of the tokens is definitely a plus in my book. So how much have my Fry miners mined so far? As you guys know, I do have two Fry miners at two different locations, and both of them are currently mining. So I have been mining for almost a month now, and I have over 2,000 tokens. So if I was to sell right now, it will pretty much cover the cost of one Fries miner. And when we go on their website, you will see that they have two miners, the Fries Satellite Miner and the Fries Bandwidth Miner. And this is the one that I have. As you can see, the prices are extremely reasonable, only $48. So this is how they look like. Right now, they are all 80% off. That is why the price is only $48. But when we scroll down, you'll be able to see how much they will earn you daily. And every single day, you'll be making 42.86 Fries tokens. If you guys have been watching my videos over the last couple of weeks, you would have noticed that I have been talking a lot about different crypto miners. I believe right now is one of the best times to start mining crypto, especially these low-cost miners that do not waste a lot of electricity, that are very affordable, and that have a lot of upside potential. Also, if you really think about it, these miners can help you diversify. For example, the Fries token is built on Algorand. So if you don't like the Fries token, you can sell the tokens for Algo and you can start building up your Algo position. The same thing goes for the Helium miners. If you don't like HNT, you can sell it for Solana. Also, the newest miner that just came out that mines MXC and Dogecoin, if you don't like those, you can sell your Doge for something else. But in my opinion, these miners are a great way to accumulate even bigger positions to diversify even more. But personally, all the crypto that I'm mining, I'm not selling whatsoever. I'm trying to build positions for the next bull run. Next time Bitcoin rallies to 60,000 or 100,000, all these smaller coins are going to rally even more. And that is where I believe the big opportunity will be to make even more profits. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick update video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications. Remember, not financial advice. Do your own research, and see you in the next video. Peace out.